Hello, and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is Add a tab to File Explorer. Do you ever find yourself cluttering your desktop with multiple File Explorer windows when trying to open several folders? Windows 11 can help with this. In Windows 11, you can create tabs in File Explorer, so you no longer must have multiple File Explorer windows open on your desktop. Let's look at how to add a tab to File Explorer. In the taskbar, click the folder to the right of the search bar. At the top of the File Explorer window, click the plus to the right of the currently open tab. Search for your next folder and click on it. Take note, you can open numerous tabs, and they will stay open until the File Explorer window is closed. Do you have questions about using Windows 11? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.